Central Irrigation Trust is an irrigation infrastructure operator. We pump water from the River Murray to around 1,500 family and corporate farms within the Riverland of South Australia. The Riverland region is primarily an agricultural and horticultural region. Irrigation is a really important component of that. We're in a very hot and dry climate. Without irrigation, we don't have horticulture in our region.
Australia's energy system is going through its most profound change in 100 years. BNF predict a 6-fold increase of solar on homes and businesses across the country by 2050, up to 87 gigawatts, requiring a lot of new firming capacity. And batteries are like the Swiss Army knife of a renewable grid.
We operate 13 pressurised pipeline water delivery systems, 13 large pump stations on the River Murray which are energy intensive. Given the energy costs that we have in the business makes up a very significant portion of our overall operating costs, any change or impact we have in increases result directly in increases in charges in subsequent years to our customers, so it's a direct impact to their bills. So it's really important we try and minimise that where possible. Power markets fluctuate greatly on a day, hourly basis as demand and supply changes. Batteries provide that ability to store energy from the sun and wind when they're available, to be able to release that back into the grid at times when the sun's gone down or the wind's not blowing, and provides an ability to have a stable power market.
With Central Irrigation Trust in South Australia, we are delivering one of Australia's biggest on-site C&I battery projects to date, involving the installation of over 13 megawatt hours of batteries across 5 sites in the Riverland region to intelligently manage the Trust's energy use, generate bill savings and earn a new revenue stream. CIT hosts the battery on their site, and we manage everything from end-to-end project delivery, connection to our software and ongoing maintenance and support.
It was really important that in this partnership, Enel provided us the ability to take on no additional risk for us and our customers. Our customers are our community and the community is our owners. And we understand the project in total was around $16 million. The outlay from Central Irrigation Trust has been none. And we also gain significantly from Enel's technology and technical skills that we know they have in Australia, but also from their worldwide connections.
A unique element of our approach is our shared savings investment model, where we fund the entire project and CIT never pays for any capex or ongoing costs. We split the value generated by the battery.
We're proud of the work we've done, and we've really been happy with our partnership with Enel and the support that they've provided us through this project and their contractors. Our operational team have found the process pretty simple, and the level of input that we've been required to do has been really low.
Australia's energy system is changing. Are you?